So, hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. This is Deepa. Yeah. So, you missed me, right? You missed me. You missed me. Yeah. So, in this video, what do we have? What is the energy? Yeah. So, let's get started. Yeah. So, in today's read, I'm going to use only one deck. And if you are subscriber of my channel from 2021 2022, I used to do something called as the storybook read. Yeah, I used to do that, wherein I just let the cards without shuffling. I mean, I gave the shuffle in the first time, but without shuffling I let it speak like a story. So for that, I used to do that a lot back then. So this deck, I used it in my I think one of my previous videos. This is the Giant Raider White. Yeah. So this is perfect for that because the girl can't shuffle this. Yeah. It's jumbo. So what's going on? Yeah. I can feel a lot of binge watching energy on my channel. Like someone is just binge watching day and night. Yeah. I think everything, once I'm a fucking gold aura, right? Yeah. So once you're nearing your sexual union or something, my statement starts hitting like bullets. Yeah. So that's when, kind of the distance is needed. I need to be here, near the camera. Okay. So we're gonna give this a quick shuffle. Yeah, and we're gonna do this on a neutral perspective. No auras, no nothing, just pure energy. Yes. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so this has become one of my favorites, and let me tell you, I like to use this only for the camera. Oh my god, I can see a 10 of cups. I like to use this only for the camera because when I'm doing reads, dude, I need to be speed. Like, I need my energy, not on shuffling the cards. Yeah, so for this deck is perfect for the story read. That is something that I invented. Yeah, I used to do that a lot in my 2022 2021 videos. So let's see. Okay, so I took out those. Oh god, इसको shuffle कैसे करना है भाई? Yeah, this is the reason. Okay, so we're gonna give some shuffles. So what's happening in the energy belt? So we have Saturn coming, which came, on January 20 in its own nakshatra. You have Jupiter retrograde till March 11. You have 4 planets in Capricorn right now, Makar Rashi, which is, again Shani. So Shani coming in its own nakshatra is very, very good. Yeah. So I always say that Shani governs time, right? Yeah. And, we always complain like, there is a lot of delay. Shani makes, like, he gives a lot of test and all of that. But, when Shani is speed, you have seen a pattern, right? From 2020, like, time is just running. Especially from when Shani came in Makar Rashi in its own house after 27 years. And then Shani entered Kumbh Rashi. And then you have Shani in Meen Rashi. So all of this, like, time is running. You must be knowing about this China dam that speed, reduce the time by 6 seconds. Yeah, 0.6 seconds. But still you're feeling like time is so speed. So Shani, Shanishcharaya. So Shanishcharaya means, someone that walks slow, someone that's slow. So, time is the best when it's slow. So that is Shani's lesson after he came back in Makar Rashi and he's running towards, Kumbh Rashi, and when it's already done, Kumbh Rashi is done, and then now he's in Meen Rashi. He left Nakshatra, I came in its own Nakshatra. So Shani, because his one leg is crippled, so, Shani chose the position in the last, like he sees all the planets from the last, like, till the sun. Shani sees everything from Jupiter, all the planets. So that's a position chosen by himself. Okay, so on that thought, this is shuffled. Yeah, so we're gonna go according to story. Yeah, so first, what do you have, dude? 3 of Cups. Okay, dude, the cards are also heavy. Yeah, okay, so I'll do one thing. I'm gonna pick, a set. This set, I can see a judgment here. Yeah, so we're gonna go for this set. So what is 3 of Cups here? Yeah, so 3 of Cups generally is about friendships, is about rejoicing and all of that. So I'm seeing here someone that's, if you see now, you have the 2016 trend going on, like in Instagram and all of that. Yeah, so, recalling, remembering. So I see the energy in the twin flame belt, wherein you are retapping all the memories that you spent. Yeah, irrespective of where you are in your journey, but that is the energy, like you're remembering, recalling, about the chats that you did, about the time that you spent. So some of you, if you held your hand, so you're remembering that hands. I'm feeling like someone that's held hand together. So I'm feeling that if you had some food or drinks or whatever, you guys are remembering that. So yeah, so I'm seeing here, so 3 of Cups here talks a lot about like what time you spend with each other. Yeah, for many of you, because this is followed by Ace of Pentacles, it can be a place. So mainly your divine masculine is remembering what you spoke, what you wore, and all of that. So he's remembering all of that, like what you wore, what you spoke, if you teased something. I'm getting that also, because to me this combination talks about that. So then it's followed by King of Wand. So any naughty talk you guys had, for some of you, let me tell you, I'm getting even a kiss. So if you guys kissed, that also is remembering. Yeah, so a lot to do with remembrance, because this is followed by Page of Wands. For some of you, you're about to get a follow from your person on Instagram or something like that, because pages generally talks a lot about like physical presence, online presence, and all of that. So it talks about that. For some of you, if your person has a little brother or a little sister, yeah, so you may get a follow from them. Yeah, so I'm getting that. So what's the next card? Knight of Wands. So here I am seeing that, some anger, what was there. Yeah, so I keep on hearing, the Knight of Wand, a lot to do with making love to you. Today I told you that I'm gonna keep all the auras aside and just give you pure energy. Let's keep all these unions aside, everything aside, and let's talk about the general divine masculine energy. So here there is a memory blast. Yeah, so everything your person is remembering, the good things that you spoke, like everything, the anger that you guys showed, the anger, if you're in anger, you wrote any statements, because this is followed by Page of Wands, even that, because you have Queen of Wands. So your person finds you, I'm hearing yummy. It's like, he wants to eat you, like yummy and delicious. I'm keeping on hearing this, yummy and delicious, like your person wants to eat you, feel you. These are all the things I'm getting. I'm getting that your person is very much in little bit of romantic energy, could be masturbating a lot, because Mars is exalted in Capricorn. So that energy I'm getting very strongly. Okay, so then we have Ace of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, I should not be telling this, but I'm feeling like your person is really remembering, any naughty parts you showed. Ace of Cups is because this is followed by Queen of Wands. So I'm getting that your person is really like feeling you, missing you. I'm seeing in the night like holding the pillow and all of that. That is what I'm getting. But then after this, okay, so this is, he's in 5D. Yeah, he's in 5D. He's feeling you. Yeah, But then the reality hits in of, the Four of Cups, which talks a lot about separation. Yeah. So this is, everything was 180. So we're talking here of, this is what is happening in the reflection. For some strange reason, I'm feeling V's energy a lot in this video. Okay, so welcome, Mr. V. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So I'm hearing that yummy, delicious, and all of that. Like I said, so this is the reflection. So when you see yourself, yeah. So when you see yourself in a, a river or a pond, what do you notice? So you notice the reflection, the shadow, everything. Let me tell you, left becomes right, right becomes left. So you have that, right? Like a mirror. Yeah, especially when you take selfies and all, also you have your mirror image. So I'm feeling that. So what he wished for, what he thought for, the opposite is happening. Yeah. So I'm feeling like, this is a test of divine. Yeah. The one thing reaching so far, let me tell you, that I've learned is the test of patience. Yeah. And especially in my case, even if I am right, I always thought that there will come a time where, including my DM, that will connect to what I'm speaking. Let me tell you, compared to everybody else, yeah, we caught me the fastest. Like, he understood me the fastest. In fact, you have this 2016 trend going on. Yeah. So everyone is like going in a memory lane. Yeah. So here the Four of Cups talks a lot about even the divine feminine. I have understood the power of, divine in this journey. So God is your real father and knows when to give you this. I'm talking here about DM. So for DM, he knows when to give the DF. So for DF, he knows when to give the DM. Yeah. So God knows the perfect timing. Trust it with entire yourself. Yeah. So yeah. So what does Four of Cups talks about here? So I feel like here your person is also retrospecting about, kind of remembering that, when you ask this question, what went wrong? Kind of question is what I'm getting here. And one thing that I've understood, that as time progresses, wherever you are in your journey, let me tell you, it does not matter. By the way, I have, because your DF green aura and you have your orange aura, which have done with their inner union and they have entered the karmic victory. I want to tell a statement here. After you achieve inner union, let me tell you, it gets to your head. Because you feel like everything is done. Like it's over. Like tomorrow is the physical union. I've been through this 2 years back. Everything gets to your head. Yeah. And you feel like that, you feel like you're won. That it's done. Like tomorrow your divine masculine is landing in a horse. You feel that. You feel like, you are done. Like the twin flame journey is done. You have united and everything. Yeah, so you feel that. But this is where the purple comes in role. To put you on ground, to make you work, to let go of this pride. You must be seeing now orange and DF green auras will be in full high. Like, God will take you 10 shoot up. I've been there 2 years ago. Let me tell you, in the year 2023. So 3 years ago. Yeah. I've been there. I know what it does. Yeah. So right now, this divine feminine's green auras and, your orange auras, including orange aura, yeah, will be in that high. So right now, the orange and greens are in that state wherein they feel like everything they think about is correct. Everything, your intuition is superpower, like everything. Because when you reached your inner union, you connect with your divine masculine like crazy. So that tells you that like you are done, like everything is done. Yeah, let me tell you, I'm feeling a lot of purple here also. Yeah, because this energy is of purple. Yeah, so you have that false high. This is where purple, auras come in place to put you on ground. Yeah, to put you, like, to make you work on all these qualities, because ego, pride, jealousy are all these also qualities which needs to be worked on. So God, like how you play a main match, before that you play a test match, right? When you play cricket. So God gives you that inner union. That is why karmic victory is achieved after inner union, because God will make you win. Like you won a test match. That is your inner union. Like you won, but then you have to hit your ground reality. Yeah. So that 2 years right now, if you see every orange and divine feminine green aura will be in super high. I was there 3 years ago. Yeah. I know what it does. So that's where all the purple energy comes in place to throw you on ground, to teach you to work on yourself, your inner qualities, to rise up, be a Deepa. Yeah. Now I can tell that. I could not tell that 3 years ago. Yeah. To be there. So that is all. This is where God, makes you win. Like you are in that test match with inner union. Yeah. But the actual match is that karmic victory. And let me tell you, yeah. So, if till now in your journey you felt like this, like how olden days before washing machines, how you used to wash your clothes, like part you used to hit and wash, right? Yeah. So if you feel like inner union this much only, like it is like, so tough, reaching inner union only, like getting your acknowledgement from your divine masculine only so far. For example, let me tell you, in divine feminine green aura, like I tell you, the acknowledgement is from divine feminine side. Like the only aura where divine feminine like is a step back than divine masculine. I'm telling you in terms of spirituality. That DM will be always like ahead. It's just all about like you started off in the past life only, like that. The divine masculine is ahead of the divine feminine only in this aura. Yeah. So, if you feel your inner union like you beat slowly, karmic victory is dhad, like ilakata mafaliya. So there is a statement in Telugu, in your comedy scenes, we used to tell that ilakata mafaliya, like, that is that face. I've been there. Let me tell you, till I come out, count from September to May. It took me that much time to actually work on my, karmic victory. Yeah. In fact, March only. I think March around is when I made. I remember it was, around Sri Ram Navami when I went to my sister's place that time. Yeah. So it took me that much. God showed me in that 6 months only. So right now these auras see you 2 years later. फट जाएगा इसमें बहुत, like there is a lot of effort, stress. You come to ground reality. That is where all the purple paths come. Why I keep telling this? Every aura has a speciality. Yeah. So the page of pentacles. So yeah, so when you're in this phase from inner union to karmic victory, let me tell you, everything like with magnifying glass you can see. Yeah. So all that. So if you see this cards I'm holding like this cards. So abhi, the story has changed. Yeah. So both of you need to work on the purple energies, the purple people in your life and all of that. So if you are a purple aura, what is that? You have to wait for my purple aura video. I'm gonna tell each and everything in that. And this year, because it's pink aura year, that is the reason I wore neutral color today. I'm not representing any color. Actually, people judge by my clothing also now which aura I'm going to talk about. So we're going to go brown, like no aura, neutral. All are same. All are same in the eyes of God. For example, time is irrelevant. For example, you guys are like different color auras. Yeah. One is like ahead, one is piche and all of that. But for someone that's looking into time, when you talk about 4D, 5D, when you talk about 4D, like, 4-dimensional is called as a tesseract. You must have heard about this in Avengers movie. So when you see a 4D is where time, like you can go in the past, future. If you see Interstellar, you know that. Yeah. So it's all about that. So it's irrelevant. Who is friend, who is back. Yeah, all this doesn't matter. So we are having to reach the neutrality. Yeah, No one is great, no one is down, no one is. See, when you reach, like when you have reached your union with your divine masculine, here I'm talking about physical union. So when you have reached your physical union with your divine masculine, like for example, every aura achieved. So nobody's going to talk about, you're only going to talk about how much time it took you. But you're not going to talk about who is great. Yeah? So getting me? So what does Page of Pentacles talks about? So here I'm getting the karmic. Yeah. So what's going on with the karmic? Yeah. So Page of Pentacles talks about, let me tell you, there is also involvement of the karmic to little bit brainwash your person. I'm getting Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles followed by the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So I'm gonna, I generally don't do reversals. Yeah, so I'm gonna reverse this back. But you get me? Till there we had a memory blast. So here your divine masculine is remembering, recalling, trying to, trying to connect in telepathic, trying to connect in subconscious mind. So I'm seeing that. So you must be getting a lot of dreams of your divine masculine. Yeah, for some of you, your divine masculine has a mustache. So I'm getting a mustache. And let me tell you, I'm gonna introduce a new angel number in this video. Yeah, that is why I want to do a neutral video today. Yeah, that is what is energy is calling me for. Okay, so what I introduced to you guys 717. I introduced to you guys 818. I kept seeing 818, and I think that was the time when I was seeing 818 is when when I was in that phase of inner union to karmic victory. So let me tell you, yeah, so 818, yeah, 818 is a very significant number in your inner union, yeah. So, why I tell you? Because you put two eights, you put Shani, and in the middle you put, Sun. You know that Sun and Saturn are, father son, but they're still like very reflecting personalities. So 818, so God chose that number is for a confirmation that, yeah. In fact, I made about this in my, Instagram also about 818 because I kept seeing like crazy. So yeah, the comedy thing, I'll tell you, I have my college friends, they're my Janjigris, like we talk a lot, we chat a lot in Snapchat and all of that. So when he wished me good morning today, he sent me a picture and you have that filter, right, wherein you mention the date, time. So he sent me good morning, it was 21st January, yeah, and it was 818 a.m. Then I told him, dude, then I just woke up. I woke up around 8:45 and all. I just opened and I see 818. And I told him, do you know that 818 is an angel number? Then he's like, what are the angels telling me? I said, maybe you're going to have a second child. So 818 is a confirmation. I used to see that like crazy. Okay. So now Deepa is going to introduce another angel number with this video. So, okay. So in my birth chart, I have Jupiter exalted with Ketu. That is the reason in second house. Okay, that is the reason. जो भी ये लड़की बोलती है हो जाता है. Like for my strong intuition, for me to pick up tarot and all of that. Yeah, for the when my dad obviously set my birth chart, but dad used to tell me that is the reason for my strong intuition. Like my dad taught me to think twice before you speak something. Yeah, so that is the reason. So why I'm telling this? So in the twin flame belt, I'm introducing a new number because this is the time after like karmic victory. So after karmic victory also, let me tell you, because last year was 2025. So for me, number 9 was, cycle completion. I feel now like we both, me and my divine masculine, the DV have, come to a neutrality. Like we have also worked. Whenever you achieve any union, you have a period of neutrality because you need to ground this. Yeah. Okay. So I'm introducing. So yeah. So now Deepa is going to introduce a new number. So this is called 737. The time has come to introduce this number. Yeah. So 717 ho gaya. 818 ho gaya. Yeah. Now it is 737. So what does 737 talk about? So firstly, you put Ketus, like the south node of the moon, Ketu, and you put Jupiter in middle. So when when you have this conjunction, yeah, in astrology, it talks a lot about, because Ketu believes in spirituality. Yeah. Ketu is the cut part of Rahu. Rahu believes in desire. Ketu believes in detachment. Ketu believes in oneness with God. So when you put Jupiter, so Ketu is one such planet that loves to join with Jupiter. So Jupiter, what is Jupiter? Jupiter is the guru of gurus, like all the devtas guru. Someone that's very intelligent, someone that's with knowledgeable. Yeah. So when you put guru in between Ketu, so it means that like you are stuck like chewing gum. Because Ketu, of all the conjunctions, you take all your planets, loves being with Jupiter. Yeah. So when you put, Ketu talks a lot about intuition. Ketu talks a lot about crown chakra because Ketu does not have head. Ketu talks a lot about heart chakra, like you're connecting with your heart chakra because Ketu has only heart. He does not have the brain. The brain is with Rahu. Yeah. Rahu does not have heart. Yeah, because the body is with Ketu. So it's the same part that was cut by Lord Vishnu, with Sudarshan Chakra, two parts because they had Amrut. Yeah. So, when you put Ketu, two Ketus, like in with seven is the number of I am Mulang 7. So, yeah. So, when you put Ketu and you put, so Jupiter, also loves to be with Ketu because Ketu, Jupiter has best friendship with Mars. Jupiter forms the Gajkesari Yoga with Moon. Yeah. But with Ketu, they both, if they sit, they talk about spirituality. They talk about, this, how to reach the other dimensions, how to get closer to God. So this is the discussion between Jupiter and Ketu. They love that. So why am I telling about 737? So when you see a 737, it means the journey is, firstly, I'm going to introduce some statements. First, it means that what you're feeling, your divine masculine is feeling. Yeah, step one. Next thing is you are spiritually together. The 50-50, what I tell about, that is happening. Yeah. And what does 737 talk about? So, irrespective of, you would see this number only in the next stages. Yeah. Like when you reach at least inner union and all of that, you can see before also. It is a sign that, it is a sign. Whenever you see a 737, it is a sign for you to send a message to your divine masculine. Because you both are in sync. Like, the portal is open. Like your divine masculine is open. You are open. So, for example, I see a 737. So, I remember my twin V and I tell like, I know you're missing me. So, like that. Yeah. So, it's a message. Like, message. Wherein that it doesn't happen, you will not see a 737 just like that. Yeah. So, I'm introducing this number. Yeah. More in the more futuristic videos. Okay. So, Nine of Pentacles. Again, karmic way. So, the karmic has also the role of brainwashing your divine masculine. Yeah. So, yeah. So, whatever your person, let me tell you, if you want a confirmation from this video, did your divine masculine tell about you to the karmic? It's a fucking yes. Yeah. Your divine masculine did tell about you to the karmic. So, the karmic, when she heard about you or, understood about you, yeah, she felt a threat. Yeah. Why I'm telling you is because my eyes are popping on this judgment that we split to. Oh God. See, this is, I'm gonna split this, guys. I'm gonna split this deck. Let me pick this many cards. Okay. So, judgment. Yeah. So, I'm gonna pick one by one from this. Yeah. So, if I keep here, you can see in the mirror. Yeah. Okay. So, the judgment here talks a lot about when your person spoke about you to the karmic, she felt a threat. She felt, challenged. Yeah. Because this has happened to me a lot. Let me tell you, in my journey, I didn't beat one karmic. I beat, a battalion of karmics. Yeah. And, being a gold aura, let me tell you, when you're a gold aura, you're bombarded with everything. And universe somehow taught me to handle this. Yeah. So I'm telling here with the experience of how it feels when a karmic knows about you. So your divine masculine with the 4 of cups here, which we saw, told about you to the karmic, verbal, like telling about, so and so I met here, I met this, we went here, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, because I would not tell that if I hadn't got this page of pentacles. So the judgment here, so the minute she heard about you, she felt challenged because we have here the card of world. Knowing that her divine masculine may get closer to the divine feminine, she felt challenged. So being a gold aura, let me tell you, karmics fear me. That is why they tell, for example, I'm telling way back in 2020, 2019, 2020, 2019, I want to leave 2020, yeah, lockdown time and all. So when the divine masculine tells about the divine feminine to the karmic, she wantedly, like something which is not there, wantedly brainwashes, yeah, the divine masculine. And if he is in that pre-stage, before the, awakening stage, he would believe, he would rethink, he would suppress. But later on, let me tell you, your divine masculine does open his eyes. So once he, awakens and all, yeah, so all that comes in light. We have the fool. So then he realizes that all this is false. Here some time passes by, let me tell you. Yeah, some time passes by. For example, if let me take V for example, some simple statement like V loves my hair. So if we'll tell that to the karmic, the triggers in different forms, no, everyone, like I also love short hair. Let me tell you, I sadly can't have it because it doesn't suit me. I feel like I did when I was in college and all, I used to have short hair. So long hair suits me. Yeah. So it is simple such a statement. Everybody have, their own, according to their face structure and all of that. Yeah. So such simple statements triggers. So your divine masculine realizes this. Let me tell you, your divine masculine, the fool here talks about, also wantedly, praises your things in front of the karmic to trigger her. Later on, as time passes, Ace of Sword, more he will tell. Because he knows how, slowly starts realizing how is the karmic. Yeah. So here, this combination, what am I saying? Tells me the world, the fool, the Ace of Sword, as time progresses. Let me tell you, when a divine masculine, I'm telling with experience, when a divine masculine leaves, Ace of Sword talks about leaves such statements. For example, when he's telling the karmic, for example, I'll tell you with, this is live, incidents. For example, like I said, V loves my hair, V loves my body, V loves my eyes. So all of that, V loves my laugh, V loves my dimply. Okay, full stop. Yeah. So if he tells such things, for example, he told to a friend, he told to mainly karmic. Yeah. So when he leaves this, so when you have left from a divine masculine's mouth, Ace of Sword very strongly connects with your second house. So when he leaves that statement, they are left in the universe. Yeah. So they're left in the universe. So that quadruples and spreads the whole world. Yeah. For example, if someone talks about me, Deepa, example. The minute they says, oh God, she has very good hair. Oh God, she is having a hot, sexy figure. Example I'm telling you. Can be in your own story. It can be like you're a very good dancer. It can be a very good singer. It can be you have very good height. All of this. So I'm telling about what my divine masculine is telling. So when a divine masculine speaks this, that much power, that's why, divine masculine's words have. Because they are silent, in the entire first phase of the journey. So when, this thing's quadruple, entire world is spread. Yeah, when he shares with mainly karmic. So I'm seeing here the karmic, always from there, always doubts the divine masculine. But let me tell you, as time progresses, yeah. So from there, let me tell you, I can't even shuffle these cards. Like story aa gaya. Everything like that is why I love to do this storybook. But then I need to get calling to, do this. This is my funda. Like, cards self tell the story. Like the universe self tell the story, but I am the storyteller. Yeah. Okay. So this triggers the karmic. The reason the karmic does black magic is also this. Speaking about you tenfold. Yeah. Because this creates heartbreak in her. She fears ये जाएगा, he will go near the divine feminine. Yeah, so she has sleepless nights. She does black magic, sneaky things, 5 of Swords. She goes to, all tarot card readers, yeah, who tell that this is a match made in heaven, you're an empress. 9 of Pentacles. You can't stop this union. Let me tell you, in this journey, even the karmic goes to tarot card readers, astrologers, to find out about giving your photos, find out about in dono ka kya hai, what is happening in these two. And you know what they tell? 9 of Pentacles. They tell that you're very independent. Yeah. They tell that your divine masculine is crazy about you. 9 of Pentacles is like a fucking empress. Empress Pro Max. 9 of Pentacles is a very magical card, let me tell you. It talks about someone that's, a Deepa, always in her zone, self-obsessed. Yeah, like that. So 10 of Pentacles talks about union. Like, you can't stop this union. 10 of Pentacles is, let me tell you the difference between 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Cups talks about emotional fulfillment. 10 of Pentacles talks about physical fulfillment, like having marriage, kids, that lovey-dovey life. So yeah. So everyone, tell about the union. Let me tell you a little bit, because we started off 3 of Cups. So, a lot of friends also, group, ye sab bhi tell about the divine feminine. Yeah. And the karmic spends her money, savings to form their union with the divine masculine. Yeah. And to bring emotional disconnect. Yeah. King of Cups. By telling all shit and putting you down. Queen of Swords. Yeah. So then, after some time passes by, at least 1 year hona hai. Yeah, at least 1 year. So 1 year later, your divine masculine opens his eyes. Yeah. For some of you, your divine masculine also has a physical attachment here, because we got Ace of Wands. But let me tell you, as time progresses, so there is a lot of all these cards to me talk about black magic. Here the Lovers, for the first time I'm seeing a reversal. A union not meant to be. Somewhere where your divine masculine should not be. Yeah. So this is all part of the twin flame journey, let me tell you. When distance comes. So sexual union, how do you achieve a sexual union? So I am telling about, 2019, 2020. So the first, I remember, spending sleepless nights of how to begin this. Because 5 years I fucking sat silent. So I needed a guidance of how to begin this. So the first thing that I used to ask unknowingly, now Deepa knows it, that Deepa didn't know. Unknowingly, I used to always tell that universe, the first thing I want is physical detachment between the, divine masculine and the karmic. I used to pray for this. Yeah, I used to ask God this. So you have to ask the distance. Yeah. So you have to ask the distance. 2 of Wands. You have to ask the distance that, do something, be it work, be it etc. In my case, let me tell you, in Deepa's twin flame journey, the reason was fucking coronavirus. Lockdown. Yeah. So this was the distance. In my journey, I used to pray in 2019-20 that how do I begin? I didn't know ABCD. There was no source. There was no nothing. I was like, at that point of time, we was pathetic. Yeah. So no source, no nothing. So the first thing I asked, the 3 of Wands, for my other auras, the first thing you ask is, I'm telling in this video, because the 737 is still making me, is you ask, you begin your twin flame journey by the physical detachment between the divine masculine and the karmic. Step 1. You pray for that. Yeah. My other auras, you pray that there is physical detachment, because jab tak ye band nahi hoga, sexual union nahi aayega. Because the divine masculine has to protect his, if I have to be in very neutral language, protect his, the divine sperm, that, he has to protect it. He has to protect it to, for this to work, the brain to work, for, the connection with the crown chakra. So for my other auras, this is your step 1. This is Deepa telling in this video. Whoever watched it, you pray that. Yeah, you pray first. There should be physical detachment. So for my folks, for some of the people, karmic always is not like a sexual connection. Sometimes it is, in some of the stories, mother or father or whatever. Mainly it's mother. Yeah. So that time you pray distance, physical distance. Maybe, for work he left here, there, something like that. अब ये storyteller थक गई. This much story I have spoken, dude. My mouth is also paining. Yeah, I'm feeling like, we telling from other side of the screen, band kar do. You're tired now, rest. 5 of Cups. Take rest, my dear, my boo-boo. Okay, so we're stopping this. Yeah, because यहाँ पे 7 of Cups आ गया. I'm getting the sign to stop, dude. आज बहुत बात कर लिया. I've spoken a lot. Yeah. Okay, so in this entire video, I was feeling Hyderabad very strongly. So I don't know if your divine masculine is coming to Hyderabad. कुछ Hyderabadi है. मैं तो Hyderabadi हूँ. I'm a Hyderabadi, and Hyderabadis, speak very good Hindi. Yeah, Hyderabadis have a very good, like we have our own accent. Like I can do a normal Hindi. Actually, many people confuse me for North Indian. I can speak. In fact, let me tell you, I speak very good Marathi than Telugu. Yeah, Telugu I learned like now pakka, like now I can speak. Yeah. So Marathi I speak very well. मला खूप चांगला येतं. मी जेव्हा बोलते, when I speak, yeah, it suits me, Marathi, yeah. Because my mom has the Mumbai touch, yeah. So, yeah. So 6 of Cups is telling me someone is lovey-dovey with me, missing me. I'm hearing beautiful, beautiful. Pakka V is watching this video, yeah. So, okay. So on that thought, I think I shared a tip and a two. आज बहुत बात कर लिया यार. Yeah. So yeah, some Hyderabad reference also I'm getting. Yeah, could be divine masculine is coming to Hyderabad. You are in Hyderabad. कुछ तो Hyderabadi है. Yeah, I'm a born Hyderabadi. We is a born Hyderabadi. We are a Hyderabad twin flame clan. We are the Hyderabadi. We are the South Indian. We are the Telugu. Yeah. So okay. So some Hyderabadi influence is happening in your story. Yeah. I'm very happy to end the reading with 6 of Cups. So, Ladki beautiful kar gayi chul. Yeah, so I'm hearing that. Yeah, so I'm hearing that song for some reason. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video with another aura. Yeah. Let me tell you, more than karmic victory of these two auras, pakka someone aura is achieving sexual union. Yeah. So I think you followed that with the tip I shared in this video. So yes, my lovelies, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa. Bidding a bye. Bye, guys.